Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, just click here on investing here. So then you go down, you come here to trade status updates, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean trade status updates notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.